Hey, what's up, everyone? So, if you're looking for real, legal ways to actually make some money online, you are in the right spot. We're going to skip all the scams, all the get-rich-quick stuff. Today is all about 7 legitimate skills you can start building to earn an income right from home. Are you kind of getting tired of that whole 9-to-5 thing? Looking for a little more freedom, a little more control over your own finances? If you're nodding your head right now, think of this as your official starting line. Let's get into it. So yeah, I'm gonna walk you through 7 different skills today. But listen, this is the most important part, the big takeaway. Your goal is not to learn all 7. No way. The real mission here is to find that one skill that just clicks for you, the one you actually get excited about mastering. But why just one? Well, think about it. Focus is everything. When you pour all your energy into mastering one single thing, you get real-world experience. And that experience, that's your ticket to working with awesome companies and clients later on. It's all about building a really solid foundation first.
All right, let's start digging into the specifics. We're opening up the skill toolkit, so let's check out the first couple of ways you can kick off your online earning journey.
First up, we've got freelancing. Honestly, this is a total game changer for a lot of people. The idea is super simple. A client has a task, you do it for them, and you get paid. There's no fixed schedule, no clocking in. You get the project, you get a deadline, and you do the work on your own time. You are literally your own boss. So what kind of work are we even talking about here? Well, these are some great examples from the source material. You could be editing videos for creators, writing articles, or even doing voiceovers. And check this out, it even mentions assisting in game playing. That just goes to show you how wide the range of opportunities really is. Next on our list, skill number 2 is online tutoring. If you're someone who genuinely enjoys teaching and you've got solid knowledge about a certain subject, this is such a fantastic option. You get to take what's already in your brain and help other people learn, all without leaving your house. And you know, getting started is way easier than you might think. You can sign up for websites that are specifically for tutoring, or you can go your own route and build your own brand. Start a YouTube channel, or even use your Facebook page. The internet is basically your classroom. Okay, let's talk about skill number 3, content creation. We're talking YouTube and Instagram Reels. This is where you can turn a hobby, something you're already super passionate about, into a real source of income. If you like being creative and making fun videos, this one is definitely for you. Now, this is the really cool part, how you actually get paid. On YouTube, it's pretty straightforward. Whether you make short videos or long ones, if you get good views, that can lead to direct payment. Over on Instagram, it's all about reach. If you can build a big enough audience with your Reels, brands will literally start paying you for sponsorships and promotions.
Okay, this is a great comparison because a lot of people get these two mixed up. On one side, you have blogging. That's where you create your own website, write about whatever you want, and once you get enough visitors, you can get paid through Google Ads. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, is a little different. You're not creating as much content. Instead, you share links to products, and when somebody buys something through your link, you earn a cut. But hey, we're not done yet. Let's dive into the second part of our toolkit. These next few skills are just as powerful and offer some really unique ways to start an online business. Were you a great student? Do you take amazing notes? Well, skill number 5 is practically made for you. You can take all those notes you worked so hard on, turn them into a simple PDF or an ebook, run a few ads to find other students who need them, and then sell them. It's a brilliant way to make money from work you've already done. Next up is reselling. This is a classic online business model. The process is simple. You buy a product from a supplier, you set up your own website to sell it, you take your own cool photos, but there's one really crucial step in here that a lot of people miss. And here it is. This is the pro tip, the part people don't always talk about. You take off the original company's tag and you put your own brand tag on it. See? That's how you build a brand, not just sell a product. It's a tiny detail, but it's the kind of insider knowledge that can make all the difference. All right, our final skill, number 7, is becoming a virtual assistant, or a VA for short.
This is perfect for anyone who's super organized, efficient, and just good at getting things done. You're basically the behind-the-scenes hero helping someone else, like a YouTuber or a small business owner, run their online world.
So, what does a VA actually do? Well, it could be anything. You might be managing a creator's entire channel, handling all their social media posts, reaching out to brands to get them promotions, or even stepping up to be their full-on manager. There's a ton of variety in this role. And the potential here is massive. The source specifically points out that if you become a manager for a really big YouTuber, it can be a very high-paying job. This just shows you how a VA role can grow from doing small tasks to becoming a major career. And there you have it, all 7 skills. We've gone from freelancing all the way to being a VA. But now we're back to where we started, back to the single most important part of this whole thing. You've got to make a choice. This right here, this is the core message. Please don't try to do everything at once. You'll just burn out. Pick the one skill from that list that really got you excited. Then focus all your energy on it. Learn it inside and out, practice it, and get that experience. That right there is your path forward. So, we've laid out the map for you. We've shown you 7 different roads you can take. Now the ball is officially in your court. This whole amazing journey starts with just one single decision. So the real question is, what's your first step going to be?